nakikita namin kayong lahat. And I hope itong pagmamahal na to is panghawakan natin hanggang dulo. We love you guys! Hi guys! Thank you so much for today. Namiss natin kayo sobra. Thank you and thank you for the warm welcome. We love you all! I hate you, Honey! Blooms! We love you! Daghang salamat sa ito girls! Mga masaya ko namin dali. I love you, Aya! Sa effort nyo and sobrang support kami sa amin. Even no matter where we are in Philippines or outside the Philippines, the love and support will always be there. Thank you, girls! Marami na bang peace sa inyo, boss? Thank you for the trust and support. Yes, thank you. Hi guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much kasi kayo naman po. Kung like kasi sa mga choose your battles and focus on what matters because we love you. Stay in the blooms. I still feel